All right, so I totally did not plan on getting in front of the camera and doing a video today, but as you guys can see, what just hit the door right here, you actually see with the tape. See it right there? Let's lower this table a little bit here. There we go. Let's see. That looks pretty good, all right? So let's slap this bad boy open. But again, it's so cool. You see it says Ghost right on the top. I don't know. Cheesy little touch, but I think it's pretty stinking cool. All right. Ooh, look at that. We already see it in there, guys. We already see it. Is this like a special card? Oh no, I thought it was like just to the Techne. It's not. Goes to the standout setup. Just kind of talking about it. Limited edition, whatever. So anyways, to the goods. Just look at it, guys. I'm like trying to tease you here. Look at it under there. What do you want to start with? The keyboard or the mouse? Your guys' call. Let's start with the mouse here, okay? Let's start with the mouse. Uh-oh, what's underneath there? Oh, there's something else underneath there, guys. All right. So here we go. Aerox 3 wireless. Now, these products are the same. Again, it's pretty much a cosmetic, being a limited edition cosmetic here. Let's pop this open, and we will turn these on. Oh, yes, sir. Yes. Oh. Ooh, yeah. It seems like they made the feet a lot thicker on the bottom now. I'm not going to review the mouse. I've already have. But anyways, just me just noticing right there. Wow, that looks so cool, guys. Take a look. Take a look at that. I hope they do this with the SteelSeries Prime. It's got a nice texture all the way around it too. Matte texture all the way around. Yo, this is so stinking cool. Right? It's cosmetic, right? It's cosmetic, but I'm sorry. This is, wow. SteelSeries, please do this with the Prime mice. That is so cool. Let me see if we got any battery juice here real quick, right? We're going to power on. All right, so, well, it's just going to blink right there. What if we turn it the other way? Will we get some RGB? It's like trying to pair up, but you can kind of get a vibe of the RGB, right? Yo, that's so cool. That is cool. Okay, I just want to see. Okay, so your cable, which it's wireless, but anyways, your cable's like this gray braided cable. Is the dongle, did they match the dongle color as well? No, so you can see the dongle's still black. Dongle is still black right there. Anyways, one more look, guys. Wow. Stinking awesome. Stinking awesome. Okay, let's get the mouse aside. I'm over here like this. I'll stare at this stuff all day. Now to the keyboard. Apex 7 TKL. Now I know what a lot of you are going to be asking. Yo, Techne, are they doing this in the Apex Pro as well? I asked and no news. I didn't hear anything. So again, Apex 7 is what we have. And yes, it is only available in the red switches, which if you go with an Apex 7, that's the switch you're going to want anyways. So as we can see right here, it's not so much like a white vibe that we're getting. Definitely more or less like a silver vibe here. All right, let's pop this open here. This is so cool. It's just sharing this experience with you guys, popping it open at the same time, right? I don't do many unboxings, but unless it's like a limited edition, really cool deal. All right. So again, you've got the gray wire over here. And there is the keyboard. Okay. Take a look here, guys. Yes. So it has the Prism keycaps. The Prism keycaps are already on there, as you can see. I've reviewed those before. I put them on the Apex Pro. Awesome keycaps. PBT. Very solid keycaps. Definitely better than what comes stock on the Apex Pro or the Apex 7. Gosh, this thing looks so cool. Like, I'm going to plug it all up and show you guys, but just looking right there, yo, that is such a cool match. Just, I don't know, whatever. You guys are like, dude, this guy's a nerd. Like, I'm getting chills over here. This stuff's so cool, right? And then let's pop open this wrist rest. Let's see what we have here. Is it white or is it gray as well? So it's definitely like whitish gray. I wonder if that's going to get dirty. I wonder if that's going to get dirty over time, since it's like that rubber texture right there. All right, so let's see what we had underneath here. I don't know what this is. All right, so is this like, oh, I remember they had the, yo, this is cool. Is this like, nice little folder it comes in. Okay, so these are like their advertisement photos that they had for it right there. This one I really like. This is cool. Like that's, I mean, cut off the SteelSeries branding. I don't know, but that's cool right there. That's really neat. All right, so you all know I am not a crazy RGB person or anything, but can we just get a second and check this out? Like, just look at the light, how it radiates throughout the entire mouse right here. Like, it's so stinking cool. And then the keyboard, of course, like, it just flows really nice with the white right here. And now taking a look at it in like a setup I would have right here with red, all of our keys are red, and then the red on the mouse. I mean, come on, get the heck out of here. That is so stinking cool. Like, it just flows perfect. Maybe if you put the black wrist rest here, that'd look pretty sweet, right? Kind of give it a little black, white, and red vibe. And just because it looks so cool, let's take a look at one other setting. We got the rainbow effect where it's sliding through, then a color shift on the mouse so you can see kind of going through. Now in the camera, you're seeing a little flicker within the keys, the LEDs right there. That is not in the keyboard. You don't see that when you're looking in real life. That's all camera trickery looking down at the LEDs right there. So again, in real life, it is butter stinking smooth. And I mean, can we just... Yo, that is so stinking awesome. All right, so all in all, there we go. The SteelSeries Ghost Limited Edition, Apex 7, and Aerox 3 wireless. What do we think about it? I really like it. Again, I'm not a big RGB crazed person or anything, but I like my setup to look really crisp and clean. And both of these are crisp and clean. I'm telling you, they look stinking awesome. They really do. Another really cool thing is the Apex 7 Ghost is coming in at $150. Regularly, Apex 7 is $130. So you're thinking, yo, is there a price increase just for cosmetics? And no, that's not the case right here. You're getting a price increase, the difference because they're putting the Prism keycaps on this actually, right? So you're not just paying extra for cosmetics. Speaking of that, Aerox 3 wireless, regularly $99. The Ghost Edition is also $99 right there. So that's really cool then right there to not, you know, increase the price and put this limited edition price hike on there. Really cool right there. And all in all, I really like them. Let me know what you guys think right down in the comments. Again, these things make me stinking giddy. But all in all, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this quick look over unboxing of the new SteelSeries Ghost products here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I helped you out. If it did, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for future tech videos. Hey, hope to catch you in the next one. Bye now.